Hey, what's up everybody, Josh Quinones here. So I've been getting tons of questions about the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus in the comment section of my most recent video. And one of the biggest questions is if the S10 Plus can charge other devices wirelessly with a case on it. Because this device does have a reverse wireless charging feature where it can charge any device that supports wireless charging, which is actually pretty cool in my opinion. So as you can see, I got my case right here and my Galaxy Watch and wireless Galaxy Buds to test this out. Alright, so let me go ahead and throw the case on the device right here. And in case you guys are interested in this phone case for the Galaxy S10 Plus, it is a case by Caseology, and I will throw a link down in the description below in case you want to check it out for yourself. But it is a pretty nice case, protects the device pretty well, and it's not too bulky either. But let me go ahead and get into the device and let's start this test. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring down the notification bar. As you can see, the button's right there, wireless PowerShare. So I'm gonna go ahead and press that. And then once you press it, it turns the wireless PowerShare on. It says put the center of your phone back to back with another device. So let me go ahead and set this down. And then I'm gonna set my Galaxy Watch on it first and see if it will charge the watch with the case on it. So let's test this out. And as you can see right there, it did pop up. So it is charging right now. It is starting the wireless charge. So there is your answer. It does charge other devices with a case on it. So let me go ahead and try the wireless earbuds now. I'm gonna set that over to the side. Let's go ahead and set that right on top. Here we go. And I felt it vibrate, so that's a good thing. That means it's going to start the charge. It will know when these start charging when the red light goes on. See right there, the red light did go on. Let me tip this up a little bit. The red light is on, so it is charging these earbuds with the case on it. And as you can see, I'm gonna turn it over. The feature, I think the feature is still on. Let me go back into the device here. Yep, the feature is still on. If I press cancel, it'll automatically turn that off. Now I want to try one more test. So we know it does work with the case on it, but what if I put another device with the case on that device on top of here? So that'll be two cases in between each phone. I want to try that out and see if it works. So let me grab my Samsung Galaxy Note 9. All right, so I got my Samsung Galaxy Note 9 right here in my other hand. So let me go ahead and turn this back on, wireless PowerShare. So it is on. And as you can see, I do have a case on my Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So I'm gonna go ahead and just set this right on top and see if it starts charging. Now I did feel a vibration. I guess I can go ahead and pull this up close so you guys can see. Right there, boom. As you can see, the little charging symbol is right on top. So yes, this actually works with two cases in between each phone. Now that is very impressive. All right, you guys, well, there you go. I hope this helps answer your number one question. As you can see, it did work with a case on it, so no need to worry about having to take your case off every time you do want to use the reverse wireless charging feature on this device. So it's pretty impressive. You guys let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know what you think. Make sure you leave a huge thumbs up on this video if you did like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. You guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.